This is the LG Evo G5, LG's new flagship Gallery OLED. And it's now here on display at AWE. The G5 range is available in 55, 65, 77, 83 and 97-inch screen sizes, giving installers flexibility to specify the ideal model for different room types and viewing environments. The G5 showcases LG's latest 4-stack OLED architecture, where separate red, green and blue light emitting layers work together to produce higher peak brightness and improved colour accuracy. A major step forward that delivers up to 45% greater brightness compared to previous generation. You still get those perfect OLED black levels and exceptional colour accuracy, but now with the kind of punchy brightness that holds up beautifully in daylight. The G5 supports Dolby Vision, HDR10 and HLG for a full range of HDR formats, ensuring accurate tone mapping across every content type. It also uses LG's Alpha 11 AI processor Gen 2, which analyses and optimises each frame in real time. It sharpens textures, enhances depth and refines tone mapping so every source looks its best. Even HD and streamed content is intelligently upscaled to near 4K quality for consistent, crisp, lifelike results. But one of the biggest reasons installers love the G5 is the gallery design, and that means it sits truly flush to the wall. In a lot of homes, when you walk into a living room, you often can see down the side of the TV first. With most wall-mounted screens, you can spot brackets and cables behind it. With the G5, it's completely different. The included flush mount bracket pulls the screen tight to the wall, so no bracket or cabling is visible from any angle. It gives a clean picture frame finish that's perfect for design-led spaces, and the supplied bracket makes it straightforward to achieve the flush look. For a detailed installation guide, there is a full video available from LG. We'll leave that in the link in the description. LG Gallery Plus adds an extra layer of polish to the G5 experience with a curated selection of artwork, photography and lifestyle images. It turns the screen into a premium digital display when it's not in use, giving clients a clean, gallery-style look that blends beautifully into modern interiors. The G5 is fully equipped for today's connected systems. You've got 4 full bandwidth HDMI 2.1 ports at 48 gig, supporting 4K up to 165 frames a second with VRR, ALM and eARC. That makes it ready for anything from next-gen gaming to high-performance AV receivers, with NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium ensuring smooth, low-latency visuals down to around 5 milliseconds of input lag. Audio gets an upgrade too, with AI Sound Pro creating a virtual 11.1.2 surround effect. And with HDMI eARC, it integrates seamlessly with Dolby Atmos systems, whether through a soundbar or a full multi-channel setup. So, whether you're designing a dedicated media room, a light-filled living area, or a minimalist smart home, the LG OLED Evo G5 delivers exceptional image quality, installation flexibility, and long-term reliability. Come and see it in action here at AWE.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and check out more of our content below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon to stay updated when new videos go live. We'd love to hear from you, so drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thanks for watching!